Every day you may earn up to $1,000, and this may be repeated indefinitely. There is no need to sell, create films, or have challenging technical knowledge. The best part about this method is that it takes no previous knowledge and is entirely free. People from all walks of life are encouraged. You may start making money online right now, no matter where you are in the world, by just utilizing your smartphone or computer. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Now let's return to the video. Upleap is the website we'll utilize to generate passive income online today. Simply go to upleap.com to get started. Upleap is a perfect software firm that provides a service and a tool to assist users in developing their Instagram accounts and followers. And it is effortless. I like how Upleap helps you find accounts similar to yours and target their followers. You may even choose which hashtags you wish to target. You're ready to go after you've set everything up. This is the website we'll be using to make money today. But don't worry, you won't need an Instagram account or followers to sell anything. I'll guide you through everything and make it as easy as possible for you, including providing you with a script to copy and paste. I'll demonstrate how to copy and paste to begin using it right away. Even if you are a total novice, you may start earning money after viewing this video. For those of you who are unfamiliar, Instagram is a social networking site that enables you to publish and share photographs and videos as an individual and an organization. Essentially, I'll teach you how to earn money by using Upleap. The essential component is the affiliate program, which enables you to earn commissions while simultaneously aiding others and telling them how to boost their Instagram followers. To join the affiliate program using these tools, scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on the affiliate. After that, you'll be taken to another page. You may join the Upleap affiliate network and receive monthly recurring income on this page. The idea is straightforward to understand for every one of you. The first step is to register as a free affiliate. There are no hidden costs, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Once you've joined up for a free account, go to your dashboard and copy your short affiliate link. The final step is to begin embedding and promoting your unique affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link from anywhere on the internet, they are sent to step 4, where they can track how many people registered by using your link and pay you for each person who joins up for Upleap. Isn't it amazing? This is essentially a referral scheme in which you can earn a 30% monthly fee by recommending Upleap to others to help them expand their Instagram accounts. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Now let's return to the video. So let me demonstrate how much money you may earn as an indirect affiliate. On their website, they are offering 3 packages. The first one is for 100 followers and the price is $3. The second one is for 500 followers and the price is for $5. And the third one is for 1,000 followers and the price for this is $9. But you are not required to purchase any of them. There is no purchase or sale, and this service is entirely free. All that you need to do here to get your affiliate links for free and begin advertising these 3 packages to others. So these are the 3 packages you may promote right now, and these are the monthly packages. The most popular among the 3 of them is the one with a price tag of $5. As a result, this is the most often used package and is popular with users, and it is also with a monthly charge. As a result, many individuals will acquire this bundle every month. It's a benefit for you that you will get a monthly recurring commission. So this is a unique tool, and people will continue to purchase this package and continue to use Upleap, which means you'll be able to generate passive income indefinitely. The good news is that it is one client. Think about this. If you recommend 10 people, 20 or 30, and each of them gets a package and continues to use Upleap, you will make a lot of money. This is an excellent choice for beginners to start making money online. First and foremost, you must sign up for a free Upleap affiliate account. To become an affiliate, simply provide your first and last names, as well as your email address and password, which you should verify. Now press the button, "I am not a robot, and I agree to the terms of service," and sign up. Now let's go on. As promised, I'm going to offer you something very fantastic to help you get started generating your first dollar and commission online. As you can see, I wrote the complete script to assist you with selling this product. Here is the template which I have written for you. To gain followers on Instagram, join Instagram engagement groups. Have you ever wondered what individuals with a large number of Instagram followers do differently? They participate in engagement groups. While joining the most popular Instagram engagement groups may be tempting, adhering to your specialization will offer you a more tailored list of Instagram followers. The method is ideal for businesses learning how to get Instagram followers for the first time. Check out my top tip for increasing Instagram followers: Affiliate Connection. This template will be provided to you at the link below. You can just copy and paste it into your affiliates to get 30% of the earnings. If they read this template and then click on the link, they will make a purchase. You may view the whole template, including recommendations for rapidly increasing your Instagram followers. As you can see, training people on growing their Instagram profiles are virtually giving away free value. You will get a lot of trust from people if you do this, and they will ultimately click on the link to discover more about your #1 advised tool, and they are more likely to purchase since they trust you first and foremost. This is, in fact, a highly professional and legal method of making money online. The next step is to decide where you want to distribute your copy and paste script now that you have it, and where you can get the most traffic to your link so that people will click on it. That is the most common problem among newcomers, which is why I propose QUORA.com to you. This is where you will acquire a lot of traffic referrals and visitors to your website. So now all we have to do is copy and paste this script into QUORA. For those new to QUORA, let me explain that QUORA is a free public forum. Many people use this website to discuss a wide range of issues. Others pose questions, and some react. There is a variety of photos here, and there are several conversations. The monthly visits numbers in the millions, which is incredible. Millions of individuals visit this website each month, and if you do it properly, if you use its power, you will get a lot of clicks. Many people will rapidly click on your affiliate links, and if they make a purchase, you will earn a 30% commission. So you're advised to make a free QUORA account now. All you have to do is go to QUORA.com, and you'll be sent to another page. To register, enter your email address. Simply click the link, enter your information on this side of the page, and click the sign up button. It's not difficult to understand. Now, log into your QUORA account. QUORA will immediately assist you in locating all of the various questions, articles, and debates that people are having regarding this issue if we use the search button. You may learn how to get more Instagram followers by clicking on the search bar. You can write, "What is the most effective method for swiftly increasing your Instagram followers?" This sort of issue receives much attention on QUORA.com, with hundreds of thousands of people interested in learning more about it. Assume you click on such query in the suggestions in the search bar, and it will direct you to this page, where many others have commented on this question. Individuals here are replying with pretty beautiful answers. Some even add a connection between their blogs, proving a tested strategy. People typically have some positive values in common. They provide free values in their posts, and they put referral links anywhere in the post or at the conclusion, from which they will earn a commission if anyone clicks and purchases it. That will be our precise strategy. First and foremost, I'd want you to press the button to answer how I can increase my Instagram following. Clicking this will take you to a page where you may answer the question, how can I obtain more Instagram followers? This is when the template works. Simply copy the script, return to the answering page, and enter your answer into the space provided. All you have to do now is press the paste button. Remember to add your affiliate links. This is critical because if your affiliate links aren't included, you won't make any money. This is the technique. All you need to do now is go to Quora.com and search for various subjects. In a way, you're searching for people who want to grow their Instagram following. When you give free values like this to them, they will trust your advice and many of them will finally click on the link. You may then earn a monthly commission of 30% on any purchases they make with any of these packages. That is how you make a lot of money online using the strategy I have just shown you. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.